In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change divider colors in Notion. This is one of those small customization tricks that can make a huge difference in how clean and organized your Notion pages look. By default, Notion doesn't let you change divider colors, but there's a simple workaround using inline equations that gives you full control over the color, thickness, and width of your dividers. If you use Notion for notes, dashboards, or project management, this is a must-know trick. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want to change or add a divider. You can do this on any page, whether it's a personal workspace, a team wiki, or a dashboard. Once you're on the page, click anywhere you want the divider to appear. This will place your cursor exactly where the divider will go. Next, type out the text, "Change Divider Color." This step is just to follow along with the workflow and get your cursor positioned correctly. After that, instead of using the normal divider option, type a / on your keyboard. This opens up Notion's block menu. From here, start typing inline equation. You'll notice Notion suggests it as you type. This is important because Notion doesn't officially support changing divider colors, so we're using inline equations as a workaround. Once you see inline equation in the menu, click on it. A small equation input box will appear. This is where the magic happens. Inside this box, you're going to type a specific equation that creates a colored horizontal rule. Type \color, then open a curly bracket and type the color you want, for example, blue, then close the bracket. After that, type \rule, followed by curly brackets with the width and height. A common example is \color, blue, \rule, open curly bracket, 400px, close curly bracket, open curly bracket, 3px, close curly bracket. This creates a blue divider that's 400 pixels wide and 3 pixels thick. After typing that in, click Done. You'll instantly see a colored divider appear on your Notion page. This is now acting as your custom divider. If you want to change the color, simply click directly on the divider to edit it. When the inline equation editor opens again, you can change the color name inside the color brackets. For example, replace blue with red, green, purple, or any supported color. Once you've typed in the new color, click Done again. Your divider will immediately update to the new color. You can repeat this process as many times as you want to create different colored dividers across your page. You can also adjust the width and thickness by changing the pixel values in the Rules section, which is great for building visually balanced dashboards. And that's it. You've now learned how to change divider colors in Notion using a simple inline equation workaround. This technique is perfect for separating sections, highlighting important areas, or just making your workspace look more polished and professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.